do you know you can now get your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube even without uploading a single video on your channel? Now, I actually tried it on a new channel and it worked for me, and I'm going to show you what I did. If you check my laptop screen right now, this is a new channel I created. It's Prince Media, and you can see that I have 700 subscribers here, as you can see right here. Okay, now let me show you here. You see, if you check the dates here, you can see March 8th, right? So basically this channel is just 1 month old. Okay, and already I have over 700 subscribers without posting videos on this channel. You understand? Now you can see two videos here, so you may be thinking, Prince, but you have two videos here. Relax, the subscribers didn't come from these two videos. Okay, let me show you right now. Okay, so now this first video here is having 17 subscribers, right? And then this video too is having just one subscriber, so 18 subscribers. So just 18 subscribers from the two videos I've posted. So the remaining subscribers you are seeing here, which is approximately 700 subscribers, where did they come from? And that is what I'm going to show you in this video. In fact, everyone can do it. All you need to do is to watch this video and make sure you like as well. Okay, if you don't like this video, if you try, it won't work for you. All right, I'm just joking, but please like this video. Let's get started. YouTube has released a new feature, and it is called collaborative feature. Okay, so now what a collaborative feature does is that it helps you to get more subscribers. Okay, so you can collaborate with someone, you understand, and you are going to get subscribers. You understand? Now wait, let me show you how it actually works, so that you get a clear understanding of what I'm talking about. Okay, to find where the collaborative feature is, if you go to your YouTube studio, then you come to your content, right? When you come to your content, after uploading your video, or even when you are about to upload your video, use this video as an example, you click on the edit sign here, right? once you click Once you click on the edit sign, you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find this feature called collaborations. You understand? So this is the feature that got me the 1000 subscribers without posting videos on my channel, right? So once you see collaborations, you're gonna see invite a collaborator. Okay, I'll be explaining more, so you just relax. Then you click on invite collaborator, and then you're gonna search for a channel that is in your niche, that is doing well than you, so that you are sure that you're going to get more subscribers. You understand? So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my second channel, so I'll search for it, Prince Media, right? So as you can see here, so you click on the channel, you understand? So we are going to collaborate with this particular channel. So now relax, let me explain why we are doing this. So this collaboration means, what it means is that your channel will be displayed on someone else's channel. You understand? Yes. So it comes in two ways. It's either you will make a video, you understand, and then you send the collaboration link to someone, or if you have a bigger channel like mine, I have my main channel which you are watching currently. Okay, all you have to do is that anytime you are making a video, you just collaborate it with your smaller channel, and that is exactly what I did. Okay, so you see, this is the collaboration I am talking about. This video is posted on my main channel, Princess Siama. This video is posted on this my main channel, which you all know. You understand? However, I have collaborated with my new channel, which is having the 700 subscribers. You understand? So because I have collaborated, when viewers are watching this video and they click on this place, you understand, they will be tempted to subscribe to the channel I have collaborated with. You understand? And that is what I have done to all my videos, and that is why I've been able to get over 700 subscribers, getting to 1000. You understand? Yeah. So I haven't posted on my new channel, but I'm always getting subscribed because I have done it with all these videos here. You understand? Now, wait, just a quick one. If you've been struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours after many years of doing YouTube, now relax because I can help you get it within just 7 days to 21 days. Okay. Check this screenshot here. This person was able to get over 4,000 watch hours in less than 7 days. This one too was able to get over 3,000 watch hours in less than 7 days. Okay. Yeah. So all you have to do is to check the description of this video. Contact me, let me help you get your 4,000 watch hours in 7 to 21 days. Now, let's get back into the tutorial. Let me go back to where we are. When you get to this point, all you have to do is to click on create link. You understand? Now, you're going to see this link here. This is a collaboration link, but don't do anything to it now. Just close it. Okay. And then click on save. This one, right? So click on save. Great. Once you're done saving, you come back and click on manage collaboration. It will change to from invite to manage collaboration. So you click on manage collaboration. And then now you are going to copy your invite link. You understand? To copy the link. And then you go to YouTube and search for your mentor or someone you've been watching on YouTube that you like to get subscribers from them. Okay. And in order to do that, you have to send them. If you already have their contact, you just send it to them directly that they should click on the link for you to accept the collaboration. Okay. Like if you don't have their details, all you have to do is to look for their contact details. Okay. So for every channel, when you come to this section here, you're going to see their WhatsApp number, or you're going to see their email or any form of contact. You understand? You are going to get it there. Okay, so once you've copied their email, for instance, you've copied their email, and then you come and write an email. So this is just a sample, right? So hi, then you enter a name. My name is Princess Yama, and I create content around YouTube growth. I've been following you for a while, and I really enjoy the value and style you bring to your audience. I recently created a video. I have sent you the invite link. I would appreciate your support by accepting the collab link. You understand? Please find the collaboration link attached here. Then you click on copy. You then paste it, right? The person's email, right? And then thank you for your time and keep the amazing content. Best regards, Prince. And then you do what? You send it to the YouTuber. So the YouTuber will do what? They are going to receive your message. You understand? So once they receive your message, this is how it's going to appear. So they are going to get this link, right? So the YouTuber, that person you sent it to, is going to click on it like this. Great. So once they click on it, you can see you are invited to collaborate. You understand? So I did this on my main channel, and I want to collaborate with my new channel, which is the smaller channel with 700 subscribers. So you can see YouTube is telling me that I have been invited, and either I will decline or I'll accept. So you see, Princess Yama invited you. You understand, to feature you on this video. So the YouTuber will click on accept, right? Great. So once the YouTuber clicks on accept, this video you are seeing right now will be displayed on both of your channels. You understand? So since that YouTuber is probably a bigger YouTuber, so imagine your video being displayed on a bigger YouTuber's channel. You understand? It means you are going to get more subscribers from there, and that is how this thing works. Okay, so let's play this video and see if it actually worked. Now, if you check my screen, you realize that I was good. So this is it. So you can see the two channels here. My main channel, Princess Yama, right? And then my other channel, the smaller one I have created recently. You can see the two have been collaborated. One of my friends, who's also a YouTuber, also tried it, and it's really working for her. Let's go to our YouTube studio. All right, so she's now showing us the number of subscribers she was able to get using this particular method when she collaborated with me. She got the subscribers for free without even posting on her channel. Is my YouTube collaborations, right? Now I opened the first video to show you how many subscribers I gained. Look at the views, 823 views from a video that is not on my channel.
and it's amazing, right? Now look at the reach, 8.7K impressions. That is beautiful. So these are the way people got to see me from, like not on my channel. That's a beautiful part. And now look at the watch hours it's generated for that channel, and it actually gave me five additional subscribers.
So for this particular video, she collaborated with me. She was able to get 5 subscribers for free. I don't know whether you get what I'm trying to talk about. The video is not on her channel, it's on my channel, but she was able to get 5 subscribers for free. You understand? Just using that particular feature. You get me? Yeah. So we also did another one. So let's see.
Did you see that? Subscribers being on brand with Kui. Did you see that? Let me show you the next. There is a second video I made for this channel. This particular video gained over 2.9. That's approximately 3K. So 3K people actually saw me and 32.4K impressions. This is mind blowing. And then look at the way people will actually see me from. Amazing. This future is working. And I'm going to show you how many subscribers this particular video actually gave me. Boom! 50. Over 50, like let's say 50 subscribers. Did you see that?
Good. So the second video was able to give her almost 50 subscribers. It's 49 subscribers. Almost 50 subscribers from just one single video. A video she did not post on her channel. She is actually on my channel. You understand? So this feature we are talking about is absolutely crazy, and it will help you a lot. You understand? So you all should try it. Okay, yeah. Now if you are facing any difficulty in trying, let me know in the comments section. And if you have tried it before and whether it worked for you or it didn't work for you too, let me know in the comment section as well.